First, ESCAC is like one of the best film schools in Spain. There's like this level of like respect that comes when you say you studied from SCAC.
You can try different things. You can understand how filmmaking works in general. People here are really passionate about what they're doing. Our professors were really great. They're really experienced and practically oriented. So it's not just like theory of cinema.
I think it's very practical. Like all the time you have practices that you have to shoot and you learn by doing. There were some masterclasses that really helped me to understand why I wanted to arrive there.
So I think it's a good opportunity for you to explore your narratives. Now I have friends that I imagine ourselves working together in the future.
You really have a chance to practice at selling ideas. It really creates the conditions to prepare you. The biggest benefits of studying abroad is that even though you might come from different cultures, there is a universal way that you can communicate through storytelling.
I would definitely say I will recommend it. Come and have fun and shoot.